So it's been a little while. How have you been? Everything good?
Life's been okay. I'm alright though. How are you doing, dude?
Everything's been going pretty good. Thanks for asking.
12 o'clock midnight.
Dude, Peyton, it's your turn. Peyton,
What?
it's your turn.
My bad, dude. Do you ever just take the time to stop and think about how blessed we are to be alive right now?
Why didn't you change clothes?
But just think about it, dude. Just think about how lucky we are right now.
Dude, stop. You're freaking me out. We're playing pool.
Yeah, that was weird. My bad. I'll sit down.